everyone, this is CA Khushbu Tadaya, and today I will tell you about some of the most influential chartered accountants in India. So let's get started. First one in my list is Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Yes, the big bull of Indian stock market. Mr. Jhunjhunwala was one amongst the most successful investors. This man has started his investing by just rupees 5,000 and turned his portfolio into $5.8 billion. Can you believe it? Yeah. He was amongst the one of the most successful investors, and sadly today he is not with us. So let's move on to the second one. Who need introduction for this man? Yes, he is Kumar Mangalam Birla, the chairman of Aditya Birla Group. He is the fourth generation entrepreneur of Aditya Birla, and under his leadership, company has multifolded its growth into multiple sectors such as cement, telecom, retail, and finance. So, if you have heard about Birla Cement, Vodafone, Pantaloons, and brands such as Ellen Solly, Van Heusen, Louis Philippe, etc., all these are owned by Aditya Birla. So, one more interesting fact about him is he has been honored the Padma Bhushan Award, which is the third highest civilian award in India. Further, he has also served as a chairman of IIM. Okay, so let's move to next person. You might not know him, but yeah, this person is Mr. Radheshyam Agrawal, who is a man behind BoroPlus, Fair and Handsome, Fair and Lovely. Yes, all these iconic brands which has reached to every household of India is because of him. So he is a co-founder and executive chairman of Imami Group. Okay, let's move to another one. So he is Mr. Shekhar Kapoor, who is a successful film director, actor and producer. He is known as the most celebrated filmmakers in the industry, and he has worked both in Bollywood and Hollywood. He was also one of the youngest chartered accountant, and his notable works are Bandit Queen, Elizabeth, and Masoom. So one more thing I would like to add for him, that he has been honored as a Padma Shri Award, which is India's fourth highest civilian award. Okay, let's move on. Yes, so now let's talk about Mr. Ragesh Magao. So, Mr. Ragesh Magao is co founder of India's largest online travel company, which is Make My Trip. So, this person has revolutionized the travel industry. Yes, no one has ever thought before that booking can be done online. You can book everything on your fingertips. So, yes, to all your travel destinations and your trips, just give credit to this man. And he has also launched the IPO on NASDAQ and taken the company at a global stage. Fine, so let's move to next person. He is Mr. Piyush Goyal. Currently, he is the Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, Consumer Affairs, and two other industries. So he is handling 4 industries at a time. He has also served as the Railway Minister of India, and he was also the Finance Minister of India. So he was the first chartered accountant who has ever presented the budgetary speech in the parliament. So yeah, one more reason to be proud of a chartered accountant. And he played a key role in India's trade negotiations and economic growth. Come on, so the next one in the list is Pariniti Chopra's husband. So guys, he is not in the list because he is husband of Pariniti Chopra, but this man is the reason behind formation of Aam Aadmi Party. He needs no introduction. He is Raghav Chadda. He is a member of parliament from Punjab, and he is also a senior leader of Aam Aadmi Party. So yes, so these are the 5-6 persons who I handpicked, but there are a lot many people who are doing wonders in the industry. Because of the paucity of time, I could talk about only these 5-6 people. So if you find any value from this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and suggest me the topic for the next video. Thank you. Bye.